great riches is going to be given by serving that person, loving that person, lifting that person, validating the dream of that person, supporting the vision of that person. Like here in this church, God has given us a parish minister. And this parish minister, God speaks to him. And he wants you to go and support his vision. Maono yake ndio itawezesha nyinyi kupanda juu. And when God speaks, he speaks to you and he speaks to me. Watu wengi wakiangalia tu kiona mheshimiwa Rigathi akikaa hapo. He has come from very far. Sometimes I heard his story, and when I met him, he was not like the way he is. Alikuja na kasanduku tu. And we stayed in a single room somewhere there, Kahawa Wendani. The other day when I was trying to retrace my story, I went to that same place. The room is still there. And we found the landlord who was there and his wife. They were very good to us. Sometimes we did not even have rents. But this man was very hardworking. That's why I loved him. At the university, he had a small car called Alpha Suit. A red one. That's how I learned to drive in 1989 with his car. And I banged it, and he told me that one day I will pay. Alikuwa na kagari, na hii gari yetu, tulikuwa tunaendesha saa ingine tukienda Nakuru. The wire to the accelerator would come out, and I knew how to fix it. So when I'm in those big cars, I'm reminded God has taken us from very far. I know this man. Many people may not know him. And that's why we are saying knowledge of the person who you stay with or the God that we serve is very important. You people, you may know Rigathi Gachagua mheshimiwa, but if I was to speak about him, you can see I can go deeper. Nini maitomo mwonagira gathanduku ine kare tigwo haria TV ni na mugane momoi muthuri uyu ni momwendete na nike mutarasmairo a parish minister no igwadetwe atumia aya nimendete muthuri wakwa no ndamenya kao no ndamenya kao ona aria maikarite na athuri ao no mauga I have known something.